So we were excited because we've been very involved with using new kinds of data sources, sensors that can be put on airplanes, sensors that can be put on satellites to help map these forest resources. And that technology is just getting good enough now that you can really start to see individual trees.
So say if you have brushy land, you can go out there and you can find some goats. Or if you have large amounts of grassland, you report that you have grassland, and you can bring in some sheep or some cattle to eat that down. It was created by the University of California Extension. They like to call it a dating service for grazing.
People kind of moved in on territory that maybe we didn't think it out real good. Maybe we could go rethink some of the planning in how we develop. And now that we know more, maybe we can do better.
And we're making a living, not a killing at this work. The people that we work with, we're passionate about it.